Do you want to look younger instantly? It's a common aspiration shared by many. Youth, after all, is often associated with vitality, energy, and a radiant glow. And who wouldn't want that? Looking younger is not just about appearances. It's also about feeling good inside and out. It's about nurturing your skin, your health, and your well-being. It's about embracing a lifestyle that promotes longevity and vibrancy. And the good news is, it's possible to look younger, and that too instantly. So what's the secret to looking younger instantly? You might be conjuring images of magical potions or secret rituals, but the reality is surprisingly simple and within your grasp. The secret lies not in one miraculous solution, but in a blend of lifestyle choices that contribute to a vibrant and youthful appearance. The first cornerstone of this secret is hydration. It's about quenching your body's thirst from within, promoting a plump, radiant complexion. Good nutrition forms the second pillar, feeding your cells with the nutrients they need to regenerate and glow. Regular exercise, the third element, keeps your body active, your blood circulating, and your skin glowing. These three factors, when combined, form the secret to looking younger. They work together, like the pieces of a jigsaw puzzle, to create a picture of radiant health and timeless beauty. And now, let's break down this secret into simple, easy-to-follow steps. Step 1. Keep yourself hydrated. It's a simple yet powerful secret. Water maintains the skin's elasticity, giving it a plump, youthful appearance. When you're well hydrated, those pesky fine lines and wrinkles become less noticeable. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. It's not just about quenching your thirst, it's about nourishing your skin from the inside out. So, whether it's hot outside or you're just feeling a little parched, remember to reach for that glass of water. So remember, water is your best friend. Step 2. Pay attention to your diet. The food we eat plays a monumental role in how we look and feel. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats is the secret menu to a younger-looking self. Fruits and vegetables are not just low in calories, but also high in essential vitamins and minerals that help maintain a vibrant and youthful appearance. Lean proteins, on the other hand, help in the repair and regeneration of our skin cells. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados and fish, are essential for keeping the skin supple and moisturized. Let's not forget the warriors of our diet, the antioxidants. These little soldiers fight off damage from free radicals that can accelerate aging. Foods rich in antioxidants include berries, nuts, dark chocolate, and green tea, so make sure your plate is colorful with a variety of fruits and vegetables. Step 3. Get moving. Regular exercise isn't just for maintaining a trim figure or keeping the heart healthy. It's a secret weapon for youthful, glowing skin too. When we engage in physical activity that we love, be it dancing to our favorite tunes, perfecting a yoga pose, running in the park, or simply taking a brisk walk, we're not just burning calories. We're boosting our body's circulation, which in turn helps deliver essential nutrients to our skin. This nutrient delivery system works wonders, helping our skin maintain its natural vitality and radiance. Not to mention, regular physical activity can help reduce stress, which is known to cause breakouts and accelerate aging. So whether it's a 10-minute dance-off in your living room, a quiet evening yoga session, or a quick run around the block, every bit counts. So lace up those sneakers and get moving. And there you have it, the secret to looking younger instantly. We've journeyed through the pivotal steps to achieving that youthful glow. To recap, we started with hydration, the cornerstone of radiant skin. We then explored nutrition, emphasizing the role of fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins in maintaining a healthy complexion. Next, we discussed the importance of exercise, not just for physical health but for skin health too. Regular physical activity increases blood flow, carrying oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells, keeping them vital. It's essential to remember that consistency is key in this journey. The steps we've discussed today are not one-time solutions, but habits to cultivate. Start today, and you'll notice a difference sooner than you think. This isn't just about looking younger, it's about embracing a lifestyle that promotes overall health and well-being. And remember, the real secret is not just looking younger but feeling younger too, so subscribe for more content on how to live a healthier, happier life.